Greetings, math fans. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to evaluate the expression. And remember, what I want you guys to do is you're going to use this parentheses, okay, on your calculator. That's so important. You're going to use that whenever you see a variable, okay? So like I here see there's an x, so it's going to be 3. Going to put a parenthesis, minus, there's another y, 4 parenthesis. And what you're going to do then is you're going to substitute that in there. So x is 3, so you're going to put a 3 here. And y is negative 2. And that's how you're going to do all these problems. Whenever you see a variable, use parentheses. I cannot stress it enough. When you see a variable, use parentheses. Okay, so you type that in your calculator just like that, just the way it is here. And if you do that, you will get 17. Okay, like this one. It's negative 2, and I'm going to put one for A, one for B, and one for C. Okay, I'm going to put a 4 here. I'm going to put a negative 3 here. I'm going to put a negative 1 there. Make sure you use, right, for these, all of these, you're going to use the negative sign on your calculator. Okay? If it's minus, if it's subtraction, like this is subtraction here, right here. Okay, then you'll use the minus sign. Okay, so again, this guy right here is the negative, and this is the subtraction sign. Okay, but if you type all this in your calculator, if you type all this in your calculator like that, you will get negative 24. Okay. Okay, so this one has, like number 4, you have a negative parenthesis. So put that parenthesis in there. Okay, it's okay. But now wherever you see an A, you're going to put another parenthesis, minus B plus C, and close parenthesis. Okay, so the first one, I'm just going to make a different color here. This is part of the problem, because that's right there and that's right there. So you put that in automatically, but the letter you're going to type, you're going to put your A in there. So here I'm going to type my A is 4, my B is negative 3, and my C is negative 1. Okay, and just type it in just like that. Lots of parentheses, and you should get negative 6. Okay. They get a little more complicated. Let's change back to green here. Okay, they get a little more complicated, like number 6 here. Okay, it's and it's just a good habit to do that. So I'm going to type in parenthesis divided by 4 plus parenthesis minus 6 divided by parenthesis. Okay, so whenever you see a variable, you put a parenthesis. So this is going to be negative 1, and it's going to be plus A, so 2, and C is negative 2, so negative 2. Okay, and if you type that all in your calculator, just like that, you will get 4.75, and you can use your fraction button. Okay, remember that little button that says fraction to decimal, right? That button I showed you. Okay, and that'll give you 4 3/4. Okay, so you just have several problems to do with this one. Okay, but just go ahead and type everything in, and I think there's other. Yeah, that's about it. Okay. So they get a little more complicated. And then the last set of problems in this worksheet is like just, again, typing it in your calculator. So this is what we did on worksheet 1. Okay? That's it, math fans. Goodbye.